one, find the LCD, that least common denominator. Let's do problem 1 while we're writing down our steps. So I have a 5 and an 8. Who can raise their hand and tell me what the least common denominator of 5 and 8 is? What is it, you guys? 40. 5 and 8, 40. All right, so now we are changing our fractions so that our denominator is still 40. And guys, we are keeping the whole numbers the same. So all I do is I keep my whole numbers. I change my denominator to that new denominator. And then I get the new numerator, just like we did with fractions. So guys, how do I get from 5 to 40? So what's my numerator? How do I get from 8 to 40? Which means my numerator is? So step 2 is to multiply the same number to the top and bottom. Step 3, keep your whole numbers the same. So you are essentially doing exactly what we did with adding fractions so far. The only thing that we added is those whole numbers, but everything else so far has stayed the same. Bless you. Does that make sense, everyone? Connor. What happens if we add and we get an improper? We're gonna get there. Okay. Now what do you guys think I need to do? Add what? So add your fractions. So add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. Add your fractions and keep your denominators the same. So if we do that, if we go down to this problem, I have 8 plus 35. What is 8 plus 35? So I have 43 over what? Now what do I need to add? You need to add the whole numbers. So 2 plus 4 is? So go up to step 5 and write add the whole numbers. So I have 6 and 43 40ths. Does that look right? No, 43 40ths is called a what? And we don't like improper fractions. We have to change it to a mixed number. So step 6, change improper fraction to a mixed number. Change improper fraction to a mixed number. Everyone do that for me. 43 40ths, but don't say it out loud. What is 43/40, you guys? Nope, that's not what I asked. I said, what is 43/40? 1 and 3/40. So this changes to a 1 and 3/40. Does that make sense to everyone? Now what do I need to do? I need to add my two whole numbers together because I had a 6, but I'm gaining a 1. So 6 plus 1 is, and can I simplify 3/40? So that is, so step 7, add the whole numbers together. And then step 8 is simplify. Guess we did need all the steps. Now some of those you'll do simultaneously, so it won't feel like it's 8 steps, but they're all there for you. Come on. Absolutely I can. Okay, everyone start working on number 2 for me. And then I'm going to come back and help you with it. But I want you to try starting it on your own. Okay, are we ready for me to start helping? Okay, what's the first thing I need to do, everyone? Find a, I'm going to call 6. Find a common denominator. 17, what is it? Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What'd you say, bud? Good job. 6, did everyone use 6? Did anyone use a number that's not 6? What'd you use? 18, does that work? Yes, it does. She will just need to simplify, and that's totally fine. Okay, I'm going to use a 6 because that's what Joe told us to do. So what's the beauty of that first fraction? I don't have to change it. I get to leave it 5 and 5/6 because it's already a 6. Then I can keep my plus sign, and then I'm going to change my second fraction. 16. How do I get from 3 to 6? So what's my numerator? Excellent. 13, what do I do now? What am I adding specifically? Good, and so what is that? Perfect, nice job. 24, what do I do now? Which is? Excellent. 4, what now? Yep. Excellent. 19. Which is? 8, and then what do you do? So my answer is what, Sam? Did we all get 9 1/2? Nice job, guys. Okay, do number 3. Hold on.
It felt like my eyes comforted, so I was just checking something wrong with the
Jake, do you have a question, bud? Yes. Huh? Well, sure, it could be if it needs to be. You just need to solve it. I don't know what the answer is off the top of my head. All right, let's start doing it together. First step, 18, which is excellent. So I need to change my fraction so they have a common denominator of 12. 10. How do I get from 4 to 12?
you times it by 3.
Which my numerator is then. Excellent. 12. How do I get from 3 to 12? So my numerator is? Perfect. How are we doing so far, guys? 11. What do I do now? What do I get? That's good. You added them both. So right now we're at 2 and 13 because we added the 2 whole numbers. We added the numerator, kept our denominator the same. Number 9. What do I do now? Excellent. And last but not least, number 8. What now? Then I take this 2, I add that 1 to it, and what do I get? 3 and 1. There you go. Yeah, you were missing that 1. 3 and 1 12. Nicely done. How are we feeling? All right, you're going to go back to this yellow page because we got 2 problems that we can solve on this page. Solve that one. The 2 1/3 minus 2/3. Oh wait, that's a subtraction problem. I lied. Don't do those yet.
I already did it.
We're going to do that on Monday, okay? If you already did it, that's fine. But I'm going to teach you probably a new way you did not learn in 5th grade on Monday. Got it? Okay, don't do those. We're done with notes. Go to your dry erase board tables.